So what do we need? We need a formal practice of incident management. We need to make sure that we minimize the negative impact of incidents by restoring normal service as quickly as possible. So if you have a formal incident management framework, very important to make sure that speed is number one, and two is mitigating negative impact. So those are the two key things. What is the process? First, detection. We talked about event monitoring in infrastructure management. It's very important for us to have visibility. And when incidents happen, we want to be sure that it is us in IT who get to know it first and not our customer. Of course, our user or our customer is the number one source of whether our service is working. But from a reputation perspective, it looks bad when it's all the time when people tell us the system is down and we in IT do not know about it. So it's very important for us to invest in the right monitoring tools that can tell us from user perspective and can detect for us quickly when an incident happens. Then, of course, we need to log incidents, okay? In IT, one of our quickest actions is to try and fix before we've actually logged the incident. But our failure to log the incident means that we cannot have a record to come back and use to analyze and address the root cause of that incident. So as a good practice, please register the incident before you start acting on it. As we register the incident, then we start to classify the incident. And once we classify, then we go into diagnosis. Classification is simply saying what has been affected by this incident. What type of incident is it? Is it a security incident? Is it a capacity incident? Is it an availability incident? Okay? Is it a performance incident? And then diagnosis. Okay? Diagnosis, where is this incident coming from? Is it power? Is it network? Is it application? Is it database? Is it end user? Okay? Is it external? And then we need to resolve the incident. And in resolving, it's very important for us to document what exactly we did. Okay? Remember the video? Have you tried turning it off and on? Our first IT, we've always known that is the first thing you try and do. Reboot. Yes, which works most of the time, yes? So it's very important for us to document what we did, okay? One of the things I do as an ISO auditor is that I audit incident records to actually check what did IT write. And usually I find done, resolved. But is that information useful? No. And reason is, whenever someone joins your team and you assign them an issue, the first point of call should be using the